How to lock WhatsApp app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and navigate the WhatsApp application on your home screen and tap hold on it. Here, in the menu that appears, you will see the option for require Face ID. So go ahead and tap on the require Face ID option you see there, and you will then see two options, that is require Face ID and hide and require Face ID. So if you simply want to require Face ID on the WhatsApp app, then you can only tap on the require Face ID option. However, if you want to hide the app and then require Face ID too, then you can tap on the hide and require Face ID. For now, I will just tap on the require Face ID option since I just want to lock the app. Here, you will then be required to enter your Face ID for verification purpose. So go ahead and enter your Face ID, and with this, every time you open the WhatsApp application, you will be required to enter your biometrics in order to unlock the app. So this was about how you can lock WhatsApp app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.